back from work, straight to the base. Okay, what we have today is ECOVACS Robotics called DEEBOT N79. Sorry for focus. Okay, so this robo vacuum comes with app, and you can control it with app on your iPhone or Android, and it's equipped with this controller which have time, home button, outer button, then it's have multiply like 4 cleaning types. You can even schedule it, and two type of setting schedule, but I don't know how to set up the second one. Okay, this is Wi-Fi finder for your app, edge cleaner, spot cleaner, then it's like room cleaner, and of course automatic cleaner. DEEBOT have DEEBOT have 2 side brushes, 3 sensors, 360 roller, 2 big wheels go to the high carpets. Then it have a brush. It's very good for owners who have a pet, and even on this close, if you see closer, it's have like silicone bar, so it's always get the dust and everything also. So if you don't have a mop to clean your floors, even though it's still good for your hardwood floors. As you can see, my floors are very clean right now. I'm not mopping or something. Okay, so you have a container like this. Okay, sorry, it's dirty because we already use it many times. It's open very easy, just like that. Okay, let's have a filter, 3 actually. It's very easy, goes in. Okay, here we go. To start, you just press outer button or you use your app and start right up. And be honest, it's very quiet. You can talk, you can watch TV, and it's never gonna bother you. Even if you're sleeping, it's not gonna bother you. I usually use it when it's nighttime, so nobody walks, I'm sorry, or something else. So if we press this button, it's gonna go back and recharge himself. It's really smart guy. Okay, he's trying to find his base right now. As you can see, he's very good to find his base. Honestly, very smart robot vacuum. DEEBOT did good job. Thank you for watching. Like if you like this.